Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I want to show you my new outside lights that I've got for the shop. So I'll get behind the rolling bench here and I'll show you what's going on. So again, welcome back. I've got the camera turned around now and I'm ready to show you these lights that I got for the outside of the shop. These are made by the Stihl Light Company out of Anaheim, California. They're all metal construction and they come with everything you need to install them. So first off, you've got basically the light hat itself. They are white ceramic coated inside and they're actually spun steel from a piece of 18 gauge steel like the old farm lights are, and they are good for 150 watt bulbs. I'm going to put LEDs in them, but they are good for 150 watt incandescent, and you can get these in numerous colors. If you look on their website at the Stihl Lighting Company, you can see all the different colors and styles you can get of this. It has, or I ordered them with a 16-inch gooseneck like so, and it's again solid steel construction, powder coated, very well made. Again, you've got a ceramic light socket. It's completely solid ceramic, very well made. You've got a reverse thread nut that holds the socket into the shade and an O-ring to seal all that. It comes with the solid steel mounting plate that goes through here to mount onto your wall. It comes with the all the mounting gaskets and the hardware. I've got one installed already outside on the shop, so I will take the camera off the tripod and we can go have a look at that. But I can't say enough about the quality of these lights from this company. So if you're looking for a really nice outdoor shop light, I would highly recommend this company. They are a little pricey, but again, in this world, you get what you pay for, but it's a super nice light. So I'll get the camera off the tripod and we'll have a walk around outside to have a look at what it looks like when it's mounted. We'll get outside here. I've only got the one mounted. I'm going to mount the other one here in a minute. But this is what that looks like when it's mounted. It's an absolute gorgeous light. I'm going to change the boxes probably at some point after I side the shop. But I just needed to get these on before the winter got ugly, so I have a little bit of light out here. But again, they are just an absolute gorgeous light. I don't think you could go wrong making this purchase. And again, that's the Stihl Light Company out of Anaheim, California. So again, thanks again for watching. I hope you got a little bit out of this lighting that I'm putting up on the shop. Again, you won't regret it. So thanks again for watching, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It costs nothing. And we'll talk to you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye.